These are the elevators at City Point, downtown Brooklyn, New York. These are Fujitec. You can see straight down the hoistway, and it looks like this one's coming. Doesn't seem to be anyone on it.
Going down.
Go down to cellar. Or concourse. Stop it.
Second floor. Going down.
Going down to 1.
Yeah, I'm going to.
Okay, oh, 1-8. Okay.
Thank you.
This is 1-8.
Floor 1A.
So much.
You're welcome.
Going down.
Let's see out on Typical Avenue. Make an extra stop at 1.
First floor. Going down.
This is going down. Going down to cellar. Change directions at the bottom. Opens back here. See a restaurant in there. At 4.
Going up.
That one doesn't have a glass door. Here are 4.
Fourth floor.
Got the cellar again.
Going down.
Here we go back down. Very nice elevator. It's rather big too. Capacity of 5,000 pounds. Here we are at the cellar.
Going up.
Go back up to 1 and switch. There.
First floor. Going up.
You're not. No. Nope, went by. There goes that one. Now we're waiting on the other one. Which is all the way down at the bottom. There it comes. That one has a different shine.
Going up.
Go to 4. There we go.
Fourth floor.
Back down to the cellar. Going down
Going down.
to 1 or 1-8.
1.
Okay.
Thank you.
Stop there.
Third floor. Going down.
Somebody must have called it and forgot. Going down.
Thank you.
You're welcome. To 1, I'm assuming?
Yep.
These things are wonderful.
Second floor.
Making all the stops.
Going down.
To 1, I'm assuming? You're making all the stops, it seems. Yes,
First floor.
this is the first floor.
Going down.
This is 1.
Yes, it's one.
This is going down. Opens behind you on C. Have a good one. You can see out into the restaurant there,
Going up.
for the 4. There it goes. They just missed it.
Fourth floor.
Here, back at 4. There's the Alamo Draft House Cinema.
Going down.
Door closes when you push the button. Rather cool illuminated shaft. We're stopping. Going down.
Going down.
Press C, please.
Yep. I already took that one. Going to 1.
Go on the C.
Okay.
Thank you. You want me in your movie?
No.
Okay.
You're not in it. Have a good one.
You too, honey. Bye.
Door opens on the rear, as you can see.
Going
One more trip
up.
up to 4. Because these are just really cool. Same cab as the other one. And another person just missed it. Seems people still aren't wearing masks in here like you're
Fourth
supposed to.
floor.
We're gonna end this back at 2.
Going down.
2 actually. You're back at 2.
Second floor.
Very fast leveling. You can see straight up the hoist lane. These are gear traction.